to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you're already here, already clicked on this video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn on post notifications on, so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I made these lounge sweater pants, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, these was super quick, super easy, and I love this method because you can literally use this to make pants out of any shirt, sweater, anything that's oversized, anything, shirt. You can make pants or shirts from this method. So yeah, and before we get to the video, thank you for 700 subscribers, on the road to 1K. So yeah, thank you for all the love and support in the comments and everything. And yeah, before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this oversized sweater. As soon as I seen this sweater in the thrift store, I was like, these would be some five pants, so I got it. So yeah, this is the sweater. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting the hoodie backwards on his back and taking some pants that I wanted to fit like, and fold it in half, showing the pocket, the back pockets. Move it out. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna be enough fabric. I hope it is, because this is all I got. So just seeing if it's gonna fit. Okay, yeah, it's gonna fit. Okay, so keeping it like this so it can be 2 layers of pants, one side and then the other side on this side. Okay, let's begin. And then you want to fold it where the pockets, the front pockets are showing, and cut it. Okay, so after everything is cut out, I kept the pants right here so I can see what it's supposed to look like, because it looked all bejumbled and messed up. But basically, I'm trying to show y'all, you're supposed to pin from the top of the pants to like the corner butt area. And if you look on the black pants, you can tell what I'm talking about, the corner of the pants to the black area. So yeah, you just pin that and sew that. So you want to turn it inside out. I know everything looks so bejumbled, but it's gonna be good. Turn it inside out. Inside's facing out, and pin along the line. And you just want to sew to here, the corner of the butt area here. Oh snap. And you just want to do the same thing to this side. I think I'm gonna use this as the back and then this as the front. So yeah, you just turn this inside out. And pin and sew around the line.
With a good pair of heels, this looks very flattering. One small complaint, definitely feel like it is riding up my butt crack a little bit. And then this is not stretchy at all right here. So I'm a 34B. I think if you're bigger.
Okay, so this is what it looks like sewed both sides. And as you can see, it's starting to come together. It looks like some shorts now. Bam, bam. So now, all I'm going to do, okay, bam. So now all I'm going to do, this look kind of long, but we may fix that later. So for now, all I'm going to do is turn both sides inside out. The inside's facing out and the good side's facing in. Bam. And I'm going to pin around, leaving only this side open and this side. So pin around each side. Ooh. And then you just do the same thing to this side. So yeah. And after you pin it, you just sew around the pants. Bam. Okay, here's everything sewed. Zigzag stitch. Okay, so here is the pants, or the shorts for now. Here's the back. Safety pin a tag in the back because I switched these around and put them in the front, and this is definitely the back. Like you can tell, this is the back when you put it in the front. So yeah, this is it for now. I'm definitely going to add like an elastic band right here because it's definitely too loosey goosey. So now I'm going to use the arm sleeves and see. Is that cute? That's kind of cute. Looks good. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Okay, so now all I have to do is attach the sleeves to the pants. This is easy. Y'all should know how to do this from my other tutorials, my stack tutorials. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is turn this inside out. Put this through and align both of them together. And I'm just gonna do that to the other side. Now all I'm gonna do is sew around, and then the pants will be 90% done. Okay, so here are the pants. They look weird inside out, but on the outside look regular. So now I'm just gonna add an elastic band. Well, I'm gonna fold this first, sew around it, and put an elastic band through. Okay, so after everything is sewn, here is the final result. Okay, so y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you, if you like these pants, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you liked about these pants. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, and thank you again for 700 subscribers, on the road to 1K. We on the way. We on the way. So yeah, before I get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.